Chapter 2, ninth class, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.4. Remember, this is paper 1. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e equals to b plus d equals to 0. Solution. What is given? Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This equals to take f of x, isn't it? Now what is given? X square minus is a factor of this. This means x square minus 1 square. This can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, isn't it? By using synthetic division. First we find this. So what is the factor of x power 4 is a, factor of x cube is b, factor of x square is c, factor of x is d, sorry, factor not coefficients, coefficient of x is d, constant term is e, isn't it? Now x plus 1 is a factor, so send this one that side, equals to outside, this becomes negative. Now take minus 1, bring a as it is, minus 1 into a, that means minus a, this is b minus a. Now minus 1 into b became minus b, minus into minus became plus, here plus a, means a plus c minus b. Now minus 1 into this, so minus a minus c plus b. Now minus a minus c plus b plus d. Now from here multiplication of these, this becomes minus becomes plus, a plus c minus b minus d. Now this becomes a plus c minus minus d plus e. So this is what? Remainder. What is the remainder? R1 is equals to a plus c minus b minus d plus e, isn't it? Put R1 equals to 0. We get now a plus c plus, I am writing e minus b minus d equals to, this r became 0, isn't it? Now send these to that side, that means a plus c plus e, that equals to, these two are negative, they goes from right to left, sign should be changes, that became positive, b plus d, isn't it? So first condition is proved. This is proved. A plus c plus e equals to b plus d, isn't it? X plus 1 factor is over. X plus 1 is over. Now x minus 1 factor, same by using synthetic division. So x minus 1 becomes, here is plus 1, isn't it? Now write the coefficients a, b, c, d, e, isn't it? See, 1 is there, bring down a as it is, 1 into a becomes a, add these two, that becomes a plus b, 1 into a plus b becomes here a plus b, add these three, a plus b plus c. Now 1 into this becomes a plus b plus c. Now add these, a plus b plus c plus d, 1 into this becomes a plus b plus c plus d, add all, a plus b plus c plus d plus e. This is what? Remainder R2. Now take remainder R2 equals to what we got, a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Put R2 is equals to 0. That means A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals to 0, isn't it? We got. Now A plus C plus E equals to B plus D. We already got in R1 form. So now R2 equals to 0. What we get? A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals to 0, isn't it? Now combine these two. That means A plus D plus, sorry, B plus D, right? B plus D, A plus C plus E, that equals to 0, isn't it? Now see, whenever these two are combined, A plus C plus E, A plus C plus E value is what? B plus D. Use this value here. That means B plus D plus B plus D, that equals to 0. Add these two, 2B plus D equals to 0. Send this to that side. Now B plus D is equals to 0. So second one is also proved. Therefore A plus C plus E equals to B plus D equals to 0. This is, hence it is proved, isn't it? Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Take this equation 1, isn't it? So now f of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, isn't it? So put x is equals to minus 1 in the in f of x, isn't it? Now f of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube minus 2 minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 2. See here, minus 1 cube means minus 1 multiplied by 3 times. Minus into minus becomes plus, into minus become minus. 1 into 1 becomes 1 into 1 becomes 1. So minus 1. Minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 multiplied by 2 times. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 becomes 1. Isn't it? Here minus into minus plus. Now see, this becomes minus 1 minus 2, isn't it? This means minus into minus plus plus 1. Why we are taking directly minus 2 means this minus becomes plus 1. So 2 into 1 becomes 2, isn't it? Minus 2. Plus into minus became minus, plus into, sorry, minus into minus become plus. So here plus 2. See here, minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. What we got? 0. Now therefore what we are taken, x is equals to minus 1. That means x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, isn't it? Factor of f of x. By using synthetic division, we can find the another factors of f of x. That means see here, so x plus 1 means here we have to take minus 1, plus is that, take minus. So x cube value is, x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is minus 2, x coefficient is minus 1, and constant term is 2. Bring down this one as it is. 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1. So add these two, minus 3. Minus into minus become plus. 3 into 1 becomes 3. So this becomes 2. 3 minus 1 became 2. Minus into plus become minus. 1 into 2 becomes 2. Plus minus becomes 0. So this is what? Remainder. And this is what? Coefficient. This is constant x square. See here, x square minus 3x plus 2 we got, isn't it? Now this is multiply these two, that means x square into 2, that becomes 2x square, isn't it? 2x square. See here, minus 2x minus x, isn't it? 2 ones are 2, like that. Now see here, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, isn't it? Now bring x common in these two terms, that becomes x, so x minus 2. Here bring minus 1 common, that becomes x minus 2. Now bring x minus 2 common, x minus 1 into x minus 2. So these two are also factors of f of x, isn't it? Now therefore x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2 are factors of what? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is the answer of the given question. Understood?